Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mr. Tightlines here, back with another adventure. This footage is a little older, from a few months ago. I apologize for that, but I'm getting caught up on some backlog. This is from our Granite State Kayak Anglers' first tournament of the year. It was held at Suncook Lake, and I'm going to spoil it right now a little bit, and I apologize. There was a singular limit of 5 fish caught, and yours truly got that. I ended up winning this event. It's not the biggest fish, not the craziest moments, but you know, I'm getting this stuff out there for you guys to see. It was a fun event. I'm currently, as of videoing this video, after multiple events, in first place for the lead for the Angler of the Year. I don't know as if anything's gonna happen there, but it's fun, and let's just check this out. Come on, stay on, please. Oh my God, stay on. Oh, you are a freaking donkey. Please stay on. 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 No, stay down, stay down. Come on. Yes. All right, I thought you were giant. Oh. I thought you were a total giant. You fought like you were absolutely a giant. You're gonna be a bitch, huh? It's gonna be a bitch day, isn't it? There it is, 16 1/4. There we go, dude. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yes. "14 inches. Come on. Oh, you're a slime? Nope, nope, you're a smallie. Come on. Come on. Oh, question is, are you going to measure 12 inches? I hope so. Come on, I hope so. Ah, that's close. It's gonna be close. Oh, no. Yes, you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. There it is. 13-inch bass. That'll do it. So I have a tiller motor, but I have it on like #1 reverse, and it's kind of spot locking me at the moment. That's funny. Thanks, motor, in wind direction and everything for working there. Yes. Stay on, you stubborn son of a bitch. Oh, yes. One more. Yes. Yes. All right, one more. One more. We got over 2 hours to go. That's a measurable fish. Yes. Okay. Yes. There it is. 16.5. I don't know how long this wasn't recording me for, but I got my limit right here. It's, I don't remember how many inches, but I'm gonna get her back in the water. I fumbled around with her enough. That's 5 fish. Yes! Let's go. Let's see if we can go. We got 2 hours and 10 minutes. Guys, that was so difficult. I think I just got the only limit out of 30 anglers here in our club. And I think I just won. And if so, that would be back-to-back wins because I won last year too. It would feel great. I'll make it official in a little bit. Let's see what happened.
All right, so 30 people showed up today. Fish were caught, not many. No one ended up in the water, which is always a plus.
It was close.
Not yet.
I almost did.
Dave's got to get out of his kayak. All right, so before we all get completely washed out with rain here, because there's a pretty good purples heading our way, let's talk about how the day ended. In 4th place with 42.25 inches, Ms. Tammy, just give me your money now, Sanchez, which is right on the check. I did almost right there. So in 3rd place with 47.75 inches, Steve O'Brien.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, thank you.
Dude, I kept refreshing that thing.
So in 1st place, 75.5 inches for the 2nd year in a row, Mr. Chris Ellis. Good job.
Thank you. Hey, don't forget the handshake. That's going to be it. Please like, comment, subscribe, all the amazing things I would ask. And until next time, keep those lines tight.